no battery. We're going to have to jump start it, George. No battery. I should put it on charge. So let's.
Anticlimax?
Well.
Hey everybody, how you doing? It is another gorgeous day in the British summer. It's about 30 degrees centigrade, it's absolutely scorching. On the agenda for today, we tried to start the Alfa Romeo up. We did it a couple of weeks ago, but the battery's just completely gone, even trying to jump start it, so we're going to replace the battery on that. So that's one thing. I need to send off a return for my skateboard because the grip tape is already coming off. And the wheels, the bearings and the wheels just don't work as they should. So getting that changed. So first stop is Ringwood, and then we are going down to the beach hut to put even more locks and security on the beach hut and secure that. So going to do that this afternoon, and then I'm dying to get in the ocean and go for a swim. So that's the plan for today, guys. Enjoy. Hello everybody, we had a successful trip popping into town. Now we're just walking down to Boscombe Beach, carrying these chairs down. Also got some fish and chips again because we absolutely love it. So gonna put some more security measures on the beach hut, make sure they can't get broken into again, like Fort Knox. And then gonna sit back and enjoy this lovely evening. It's still 28 degrees. It's about 7 PM. Absolutely lovely. Look at this. Stop, they're breaking in. Right, so we're down the beach hut. It is a lot nicer weekdays down in Boscombe and Bournemouth because there's just not the same amount of people. And secondly, it's nice to come down to beach hut and there's not random people in it, so nice not to have a break in. So we're just gonna enjoy some fish and chips with this amazing view. Look at that, superb. It's got a fan in his back.
I was watching it.
I'm always with that thing on The Simpsons. We're looking forward to this swim all day. Like, it's absolutely freezing. I think because it's so hot outside, it makes it even colder inside. These paddleboarders. Oh, it's so nice. It's like an ice bath. Who needs a pool when you're in the ocean? The water's so clear as well. I don't know if you can see. How flat the water is, look at that. There are no waves whatsoever. Time for another dip. Man, this is so nice. Literally like the hottest summer's days coming down here. Just amazing. See, I'm using the speedo stick. It's pretty good to do this. In terms of the actual build quality, it's not on par, to be honest. It's not on par at all. It's got to be up there in my top 5 favourite beaches of all time. Been on the Coron. Shout out to the Coron crew. Liverpool, Denmark, Finland, you know who you are. Speedo stick's broken. Speedo, you might even see this video because it doesn't even work. Sending that back. Just had an awesome swim. Now we are barricading in Fort Knox, putting in the extra locks and the brackets when they beach up. Have a look. To be fair, if Kenny's watching this, solid job. Kenny, try get in there. So you can see the view behind me, it's awesome. Had a great trip down to Boscombe, had some delicious fish and chips as always. Then had a fantastic swim in the ocean. The water was crystal clear, there were no waves. It was really warm, just superb. And also got the locks changed on the beach hut, so hopefully that prevent Kenny from breaking in, hopefully. And then tomorrow I'm up bright and early because Dave is picking me up around 7 AM and we're driving down to Weymouth to another seaside resort, and I am doing a bit of filming with him, so should be really good fun, so stay tuned. This is absolutely picturesque. This is awesome. So guys, thanks for tuning in, subscribe if you haven't already, and take care.